Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Honest Straightforward Reviews. In today's video, I'll be taking images that I've captured from my iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max and pitting them against each other, and also some videos as well. I hope you guys enjoy this, and it's just to help you guys make up your mind what's the differences in the cameras, if you can see any. Alright, without further ado, let's get this process started. Enjoy. Hey guys, so this is the video from the iPhone 12 mini, and this is just an overcast day and just a normal video. And also mic check, it's quite windy. I just wanted to see how the mics would do. Now I'm going to move a little bit further away and see how it does with catching my voice. So this is me about a meter away from the phone and testing my voice. Hey guys, this is the iPhone 12 camera. Again, windy, overcast day, and just everything else is normal. Not using any lenses. This is the normal lens, not the wide angle, as you guys can tell. Now this is just a normal mic test, and I'm going to move away about a meter away to check the mics. So now I'm standing about a meter away, and this is a mic check of how it's doing, catching my voice about a meter away. Hi guys, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm videoing in overcast condition, and it's quite windy, and I'm quite close to the mic. So this is both a camera quality test and a mic test. I'm going to move away about a meter away again, just like the other videos. Okay guys, I'm about a meter away and it's quite windy, and this is just checking the mic, how it's going to do. Hi guys, this is just a video of from the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera. It's just using the normal lens, and the condition is quite overcast, but there is a bit of sun coming out at the moment. It's quite windy as well, so I'm going to do a mic check a meter away. So this is the mic check about a meter away from the phone, just to give you guys a sample of how the camera sounds from about a meter away. guys. So if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.